This is Akahi News. The Osun State Police Command has taken 13 suspects to court over allegations ranging from kidnapping and courtesan to ritual-related offences, stealing, and hooliganism. The development comes at a time when many Nigerians are demanding stronger action against violent crime. Who are the suspects? What exactly are they accused of? How were they arrested? And will these prosecutions make Osun State safer? Let's go deeper in our analysis. Point 1. What really happened? Akahi News gathered that the Osun State Police Command has arraigned 13 suspects arrested during separate security operations across the state. According to the police, the suspects are facing allegations relating to kidnapping, courtesan, ritual-related offences, stealing, hooliganism, and unlawful possession of substances suspected to be Indian hemp. The Commissioner of Police, Ibrahim Gota, announced the development during a press briefing in Osogbo, Osun State capital. He also revealed that police operatives recently rescued an adopted header and recovered about 2.2 million naira allegedly paid as ransom. Point 2. Who is involved in this report? The major parties in this case include the following: the Osun State Police Command, Commissioner of Police Ibrahim Gotan, the 13 suspects facing different criminal allegations, the courts that will determine the outcome of the cases, residents of Osun State who continues to hope for improved security. It is important at this point to remember that the suspect remain presumed innocent until proven guilty by a competent court. Point 3. Where and when did this incident happen? The arrests were made during different operations across Osun State, while the police announced the prosecution during a press briefing in Osogbo, Osun State capital. The announcement forms part of the command's latest security update on efforts to tackle violent crime across the state. Point 4. Why is this story important to Nigerians, especially people in Osun State? This story is bigger than the arrest of 13 individuals. Kidnapping and other violent crimes have continued to create fear in many parts of Nigeria. Whenever suspected offenders are brought before the courts, the public expect not only arrest but also justice that is fair, timely, and based on credible evidence. Successful prosecution can discourage criminal activities, while failed prosecution may weaken public confidence. Point 5. How did the police achieve this? By arresting and prosecuting the suspect. According to the police, the suspects were arrested through intelligence-led operation, that is nice, conducted in different locations within Osun State. The rescue of the adopted victim and the recovery of ransom money also suggests that security agencies are combining intelligence gathering with tactical operation to disrupt criminal activities, especially in Osun State. Let's go deeper in our analysis. 6A. Arrest is only the beginning. Take note of that. Making arrests is important, but it is only the first stage of the justice process. The real test will be whether investigators present sufficient evidence for the courts to reach lawful decision. A successful justice system depends on both effective policing and effective prosecution. 6b, intelligence-led policing is producing good results. The rescue of kidnapping victims and recovering of ransom money demonstrate the growing importance of intelligence-driven security operation. When communities provide useful information, security agencies are often able to respond more effectively and prevent further crimes. 6c, public cooperation remains quintessential. Security agencies cannot fight crime alone. Pay attention and take note of that point. Residents must continue reporting suspicious activities promptly and avoid protecting criminals within their communities. Every useful piece of information can help save lives. 6d, justice must be fair. Although the allegations are serious, every accused person deserves a fair trial. Respecting due process protects both innocent citizens and the credibility of Nigeria's justice system. Point 7. What this means for Nigerians. This development should reassure law-abiding citizens that security agencies are continuing efforts to confront violent crime. However, lasting peace will require more than arrest. It will require professional investigation, efficient courts, community cooperation, and consistent enforcement of law. Finally, the prosecution of these suspects sends an important message that alleged criminal activities will continue to face legal scrutiny. But Nigerians will judge success not by the number of arrests alone, but by whether justice is served fairly, victims receive protection, and communities become genuinely safer. A secure society is built when the police, the courts, and the public play their respective roles responsibly. Take note of that. To my viewers and listeners, what do you think about this report? Do you believe stronger prosecution will help reduce kidnapping and violent crimes in Nigeria? Or should government place greater emphasis on preventing crime before it happens? I want you to share your opinion or thought using the comment section below. And if you found this report or analysis helpful, please don't forget, I beg you, like, share, and subscribe to Akahi News. For the full dose of this report and other critical analysis, you can visit akahinews.org, this website. Thank you for watching. I am Joseph Iyaji.